I can give you 40 rupees at the most. I can give you 40 rupees at the most. Kasih ngala ban ayapi palat yaka topau teka. I am going to work. I am going to work. Kasih ngan lektre. Where do you work? Where do you work? Kasih Shanu Pitre. I work in the office. I work in the office. Kasih ngatray office. My fingers are long. My fingers are long. Kasih ki sempria kti jonga ki long ki bachong. I hope you are here. I hope you are here. Kasih ngakermen sidon hangni. Inform your friends and family if they want to know. Inform your friends and family if they want to know. Kasih sapantip yakit paralog chungpi pat kibahaying asam chungpi lada kikwa pantip. Where are you going today? Where are you going today? Kasih Shanu Pinlek Menta Kasih. I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to do. Kasih ngadan sibon kikam banle. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Kasih kae ngala banle na banta jongfi. I have to leave early today. I have to leave early today. Kasih ngahap banmi kloy menta kasih. I am on my way. I am on my way. Kasih ngadang don ha lenti. He does not work anywhere. He does not work anywhere. Kasih uklamtray hangno hangnoru. What is done is done. What is done is done. Kasih kae kabaladap ladap. He has gone to office. He has gone to office. Kasih ulalet sa office. I don't need your advice. I don't need your advice. Ngam don kam ya kachingai chimut chongpi. It is all because of you. It is all because of you. Kasih kane baro day namar chongpi. This is not fair. This is not fair. Kasih kane kamlong kabakhoy. I need you in my life. I need you in my life. Kasih ngadan kam yapi hakajin im chonga. I believe what he said. I believe what he said. Kasih ngangai yak ai kaba oong. But I promise I will never leave you. But I promise I will never leave you. Kasih. Andai ngakular. Wangan eno yapi. I don't have many friends. I don't have many friends. Kasih. Ngam don sibon kiparalok. Don't stress on your problems. Don't stress on your problems. Kasih. What phần lai chừng mút ha kỳ chừng trong phi. How do you feel if I met you? How do you feel if I met you? Kasih. Kumno pismel lada nga ya kando yapi. I want to know from you. I want to know from you. Kasih. Ngakwa bantip napi. They are delicious. They are delicious. Kasih. Kilong kibabang. Now he has gone outside from Shillong. Now he has gone outside from Shillong. Kasih. Manta ulalek sabar na Shillong.